So what's the purpose of a testimonial? Well, to showcase results, right? Well, maybe not. Now, everything we know or hear about testimonials is results, which is obvious because having our clients showcase results makes selling easier for us. But the reality is, some of our testimonials don't have to be about results. In the past, I've spoken about how one of the most important pieces to the testimonial game is to have a plan on how to use them. If you know how you're going to use them, then that will determine what the focus of the testimonial should be. For example, let's say you want to use them on a calendar booking page to get them on the phone. Your whole goal is to get them to set up a time to speak with you. So would you want to include a testimonial that talks about how Mary lost 28 pounds? Well, maybe. That can work, but what would be better is having a testimonial video of a client talking about how easy the sales call was and how there was no pressure, how all their concerns or questions were handled, and so on. That testimonial will help that specific page better than having a testimonial of Mary's weight loss. So testimonial videos don't always have to be about results. They can be about education, they can be about knocking down objections, they can even be just about an experience. But it all comes down to where and how you want to use your videos. So before you hit record and ask about the results, know how and where you want to use the testimonials first.